Warning, if you do not want to hear terrible singing, please click away. I was doing this just for fun, and if I make your ears bleed, well, too bad, you decide to stay. Also, I saved the best one for last, because it sounded way better than when I posted it as a cover. Enjoy, I guess.
Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. You can't be reasoned with, I'm done being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Dear Theodosia, what to say to you? You have my eyes, you have your mother's name. When you came into the world, you cried and broke my heart. Ooh, I do. Hey, ooh, I do. Boy, you got me helpless. Look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. Down for the count and I'm drowning in them. At least out loud, I won't say I'm in love. There are moments that the words don't reach. There is suffering too terrible to name. You hold your child as tight as you can and push away the unimaginable. The moments when you're in so deep, it feels easier, just swim down. The Hamiltons move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable. The snow grows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart, 'cause you'd be the one I was meant to find. It's all up to you, it's all up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be yours tonight. May you always be satisfied, and I know she'll be happy as his bride, and I know he'll never be satisfied. I will never be satisfied. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing. The world can change its heart. No scars till you're beautiful. We're stars change, it's hard. No scars, and you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. Take a break and get away. Let's go upstate where we can stay. Oh, look around, how lucky we are to be alive right now.
Here you go. I saved the best for last. Enjoy, I guess. Wait, I already said that. Whoopsie.
Oh, honey, what you waiting for? Step into my candy store. Oh, and step into my candy store.
Hey, here's some quick updates. So if you recall, I told you guys that I was going to making a mini movie called Melodies of Love. Yeah, it's changed into a mini series where each episode's gonna be about like 10 minutes long. Yeah. Let's see. I still need you guys to figure out a thing I should call you, because every good YouTuber has something they call their subscribers. Please have it something to do flowery, floral themed. Okay, bye-bye.